If you want to make FaceTime audio calls on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will give you two methods on how to do that. For the first method, just open FaceTime. Now, after you open FaceTime, just tap on New Call, and from here just select the contact which you want to call. Now you can either search the contact in the search section. After you search the contact, then tap on the contact, and from here just tap on the phone icon. And after you do that, you will do a FaceTime audio call, just like that. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Contacts app. From here, just select the contact which you want to call, and from here, just tap and hold on the phone icon. And over here, it will give you the option to perform a FaceTime audio call. Just tap on FaceTime audio, and by doing that, you will do a FaceTime audio call, just like that. And this is how you can make a FaceTime audio call on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.